Hello, my name is Garrett, and this is my video for the second week of our lifestyle project. This week, I continued focusing on my water consumption, heating, and electricity usage. Let's take a look at water first. Like last week, I'm measuring my usage of water while showering and brushing my teeth. My usage has changed a bit compared to the first week, as I did not utilize some of the methods that I used in week 1. I timed a normal shower I have on Monday for this dataset. My shower lengths this week were longer than last week because I didn't utilize the same methods I did during the first week of our project. I was turning off water while I was soaping up, but that turned out to be a little bit more time consuming because I would have to wait for the water to heat back up again, as our water heater isn't super great. So I decided to avoid that and go for a more time sensitive method of just washing as fast as I could. The following Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I still cut time by not waiting so long for the shower to heat up, because sometimes I will brush my teeth while I'm waiting, and by being focused while showering and making sure to get everything done and not really spend a lot of time transitioning. In my normal shower time, my gallon usage came out to 16.44 gallons, and the reducing shower time resulted in a decrease of 32% on Tuesday, 36% on Wednesday, and 25% on Thursday. The reductions aren't as high as last week, but I'm still content with how I did. I already take pretty fast showers, so cutting too much time without extraordinary measures isn't always possible. I also measured the amount of water I used while brushing my teeth. On Monday, I used 0.72 gallons and was able to reduce my usage by 51% on Tuesday, 35% on Wednesday, and 40% on Thursday. Heat was a difficult one this week. My roommate is back, and so the heater became a struggle between the two of us, as well as the use of the AC. There was also the introduction of a baseboard heater that he bought, but in my mind, that is actually a positive. With that, we can run it instead of the main heater closer to the rooms at night, which means we can run it at a lower heat and get more benefit from it, thus saving electricity. We've only used it once so far, but I'm very happy with the results. It is, however, in an inconvenient spot, as it blocks the entrance for the bathroom, and so using the restroom at night can be a little dangerous, so we'll have to keep that in mind if we want to continue using it in that spot. Finally, electricity. I still made attempts to run the heater and AC as little as possible. I wasn't as successful as last week, unfortunately, but I believe I'm still making a positive effort. I don't run the AC or heater when I'm home alone, and we haven't been running the heater as much either. We did use the AC once while cooking, but otherwise it has also been off. The temperature has been fluctuating pretty heavily, especially with the rain, so it's been difficult not to run the heater, and when my roommate is home, he prefers to rather than not. And also with him being back, there's more usage of electronic devices, and um, typically we stay up later as well. This graph shows our most recent electricity usage, and while it does look more erratic, it's interesting to note that the most recent Monday through Friday week that I measured for my week 2 project actually has a lower average kilowatt per hour electricity usage than I did in week 1. However, the power fluctuates more, and I didn't measure Saturday or Sunday, and Sunday is where we've had the highest electricity usage of this month so far. Overall, I'm very happy with the results of this project. I've become more aware of how I use water and electricity. I've become better able to measure my usage. And I believe that some of the changes that I've done these past 2 weeks are things that I can keep up. Faster, more focused showers are better and more time efficient. And not running the heater and AC, while obvious to do to save energy, can be difficult to have the resolve for, especially when there's times of high heat or low temperature. Overall, though, I had a positive experience, and I hope to keep these practices and turn them into habits moving forward.